How to receive USDT in Trust Wallet. Hey guys, today I will show you how to receive USDT in Trust Wallet step by step. This is a common point of confusion because USDT exists on multiple blockchains, each with its own address. First, you need to add USDT to your wallet for the specific blockchain you want to use. Go to Manage Crypto at the bottom, search for USDT, and select the version for your preferred network. Do you want USDT on Ethereum, BNB chain, Tron, Solana? Each has different deposit addresses. For example, if I search USDT and select USDT Ethereum, that's one address. If I select USDT Tron, that's a completely different address. This is crucial. The sender must use the same network you've selected. Now, to get your receive address, tap the USDT version you want to use, say USDT on BNB Smart Chain, then tap Receive. You'll see your address and QR code. This is what you share with the sender. Important, if you're receiving USDT on BNB Smart Chain, you'll need some BNB to pay gas fees for future transactions. For Tron network, you'll need TRX. Without these, you won't be able to send your USDT later. Let me demonstrate with a real example. I'll copy my BNB Smart Chain USDT address, then go to Binance to withdraw USDT. In Binance, I paste the address, select BNB Smart Chain as the network, and enter the amount. Why specify the network in Binance? Because if I send from Binance's Ethereum network to a BNB Smart Chain address, the transaction will fail and I could lose funds. Always match networks on both sides. After confirming in Binance, the USDT will arrive in your Trust wallet on the correct network. If you don't see the balance immediately, go to Manage Tokens and toggle on your USDT version. Sometimes wallets need a nudge to display new tokens. Remember, never share your private key, only your receive address. And always start with a small test transaction when using a new address or network. Please like and subscribe.